Hello and welcome to another Auralia and Musician training video. Today we'll be looking at importing your students into Auralia and Musician Cloud Edition. This is a big time saver. It's much faster than adding students by hand and allows you to automatically assign students into their classes. Before importing your students, we highly recommend that you have already created your classes, as students will then be automatically placed into their correct class. You can create your classes under the People section of the software. Select the Miscellaneous button and then Import Students. A dialog explaining the process is shown. For each student, you can provide the following information: login name, password, class, first name, last name, voice type, and external ID. Only login name and password are compulsory, but we do recommend that you use as many fields as possible, particularly class, first name and last name. External ID is also very handy. Most teachers place their student ID numbers in this field, so results can be easily linked with other software when exported out of Auralia and Musician. To proceed, you need a spreadsheet containing a list of your students, saved as a CSV file. Most teachers already have a list of their students, or you can usually obtain a list from your school management system. A password does need to be provided. We generally recommend that you assign a simple default password for each student, their birth date, or a word like music. When they first log in, they will have to change their password to something that they choose. Now, simply save your spreadsheet as a CSV file. If you need assistance with the spreadsheet, there is a helpful link to a sample file that you can download and use as a template if you wish. We'll now choose our file. A preview is shown, allowing you to check that all your student information has been correctly read. We have also included an email address, which is very useful if you're using our cloud services. In most cases, you'll want to tick the box "Force imported users to change password." By doing this, each student will choose their own password, making it much more likely that they will remember it. Once you have imported your students, they will appear under their assigned classes. You can still edit their details at this point if you wish to make any changes. Thanks for watching.